welcome back to Nose Kid City. And today we're going to be wrestling with some WWE and Welsh wrestling characters. Yeah, first I'll show you some of this one. Yeah, it's a very rare one, some people think, but he is mainly rare. It's a very, very old Dynamite Kid. Yeah, and I'll show you one. Here he is. Yeah, it's a very old one. It used to be my dad's uncle, I think. Well, no, it was my dad's then. So yeah, yeah, it's good painting, but some of the paint is gone off. Yeah, so here's a new Dynamite Kid, British Bulldogs. That's the second version of the same guy. Yeah, his head and arm doesn't move because it fell off because it's still an old character. Yeah, so here's the best, coolest character ever I've got because he has got a t-shirt and he walks in, pulls it apart, and if you could see, you could pull it apart then because look. Because it clips together, because it's got like little spiky things, because look, clip, and yeah, so this is a good character. And this is Brutus the Barber Beefcake. This is the version from when they go together. Yeah, John Cena, he did come with a t-shirt and hat, but sometimes that goes missing. Yeah, most of my equipment goes missing of some stuff. Like, yeah, so it's lucky that he's still got the character because he's a very rare one. Because Brutus the Barber Beefcake can do this, back flip, front flip. Because their body moves, look, do. Yeah, Brutus the Barber Beefcake does the same. British Bulldog, a brand new version. Yeah, he runs in like Flash. Boom. Ultimate Warrior. And as you see, look at his bum. Kinda cool, isn't it? That's funny. Yeah, I forgot his name. Oh, it's AJ Styles, yeah. This is how he kind of looks now. Than the usual version. He's got some arm plates on him. They came with Jim Neidhart. I'll show you Bret Hart and Jim Neidhart soon. Yeah, they came with some, but they went missing too, like John Cena's parts. Yeah, strongest one, The Undertaker. Look at all of this stuff he's got. He's got loads of tattoos, and look at his thing on the leg. Ugh. It's like a skull. Now Jim Neidhart and Bret Hart. Yay! Yeah, this is a Welsh wrestler, Kid Cymru, for the Welsh from where we come from. Yeah, yeah, I've got some stuff about Welsh wrestling. Yeah, I'll show you some of my other characters. Yeah, my Welsh wrestling characters aren't real. This is Stevie Star. Machine Titan. Kid Cymru. Yeah, Kid Cymru is my best Welsh wrestlers. Yeah, including, I've got a t-shirt of him. If I put him back down, yeah, so if you go on like something like social media, search Kid Cymru t-shirts, or maybe just Kid Cymru. Yeah, they will be money, but you can buy them from Kid Cymru, the real one. Yeah, so it's very good, and it even says his name. Yeah, this is his real mask. Yeah, so I'm liking these characters. Yeah, there's one thing at the end. Through this thing, you can have a little guess, and when I'm showing you it. If you've got it right, good job. Now then, let's hot rod. Yeah, hot rod. Yeah, he speaks with Macho Man. Yeah, he'll say, sooner or later, I will become something. Yeah, listen to this. Yeah, so then go together. This is Jeff Hardy. His wrestling song is really good. It like has dun 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 dun. That's a cool tune it does, really. Yeah, so here we go. Jeff Hardy. He's got something on his arm, look. Don't know what that is on the shoulder, but yeah. Alright, shoulder Bret Hart. Yeah, Sting. Yeah, he goes with Ultimate Warrior. He does. He could do the back flip, front flip. Yeah, he came with a jumper that's way too hard to put on, so you better keep it on if you have this character. Yeah, and that's it, but there's one more. Adrian Street. This is a statue of him. I got that off Adrian Street. It didn't cost money at all. Yeah, we went over to his house once, and me and my dad got a box with him, a toy of him, and he earns the money, and then he's able to make these himself. It's a very good version. Yeah. This is how he looks. Yeah, so if that it was how he looked when he was a real Welsh wrestler. Yeah, the last time Welsh wrestling came on, I really seen him come late. I was so excited. I said, "Hey, Adrian Street, it's me, Noah!" But he didn't hear me because there was loads of crowd. They were like this, "Ah, yay!" Yeah, so hope you give a big like. If you've guessed it right, I've got a whole wrestling ring. A whole real wrestling ring. How cool is that? As you see here, if I pull that, I've got, it doesn't. So yeah, so you got, if you have this thing, you got to pull it down to work it. It doesn't work, so yeah, that thing doesn't really work when it comes out. It does hurt a lot sometimes. Yeah, so if you see, wait a sec, I'm winding the thing and it's going up. Yes, as you see here, let's just get Kid Cumry and Jim Hart. Jim Hart is going to do a slam on Kid Cumry, and that is a jumping thing. Oh, yeah, wait a sec, and you would see something else that came with this ring. It's a, wait a sec, we can't do that now, okay? Yeah. We might do another video of wrestling when I got some more. I'll say yeah, so hope you like this video. Hope you have a like and subscribe. Yeah. Bye. And hope you watch Kid Cumry in WrestleMania for Welsh Wrestling. Bye.